Well, as you can see over there, Larry has got himself a brand new table saw and he's pretty happy with it. But the problem he's struggling with is his fence is dragging on the tabletop. And he's done some adjusting, and he's decided to use a thing that we call the Handi Shim. Right here, this is the Handi Shim. Now, this is really a nice product, and Larry's used this a lot because he's used it in cabinetry. For example, he's used it on doors to adjust the mounting plate, maybe set it out. He did a French door in the basement, and he used a shim in the middle hinge and the top hinge, and he knows how thick they are. They're color coded. The green ones are 32nd of an inch only, and the red ones are 1/16. The white ones are 1/8 of an inch thick, and the blue ones are 1/4 of an inch thick. So he knows exactly how thick the shims are that he's going to use, and so it makes it pretty easy for him to do it. And so that's why he's tested it out there with the red shim at a 1/16 of an inch, and he decided to go down. He's going to go down to a 32nd of an inch. But man, there's so many good uses for this. They've got holes drilled in it. You can split these into little pieces like this, and use them for smaller applications. This Handi Shim is really nice to have. All these different thicknesses. It's marked right on there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Take a look there. I'm not sure you can see that. But wow. Here's the box it comes in. You know, and can be used, maybe you're leveling a window or something like that. Ceramic tiles, separating ceramic tiles. So Larry has been using these a long time. This is, as a matter of fact, the third box. And he likes them because he isn't cutting shims. He isn't always having to worry about any of those things. He just knows exactly what he's grabbing. That's why the Handi Shim is so important to him. And I think you should get some of these too. Then you'll be a happy guy like Larry is when he's using those shims to get things just where he wants them. Larry left the room. I do like these Handi Shims. And I really think that every cabinet shop should have some of these. Keep a package of these in the shop. Keep one in your truck. You never know when you're going to need them, and if you're out on the truck, you aren't going to have an opportunity to cut a thin shim. And here you can just go in and grab whatever thickness of shim you want and put it in, use it. Maybe you're doing a countertop, a granite one. You got to slide something under there that's just exactly right. Well, these Handi Shims are what you need. If you like this video, give us the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.